Hello everyone, so this is going to be my presentation on Cepheus. For finding Cepheus, you want to find Polaris, which is the North Star, and then you want to go directly due north to find Orion, which is the star that points directly above Polaris. And then the area on top of Cepheus is his torso, and then the triangular area forms his legs down on the bottom, and then his head would be at the top with his arms extending out to the sides. The brightest stars of Cepheus are Delta Cephei, which is 887 light years away. The spectral type is F5LB G1LB plus B7 minus 8. The main sequence is a B-type star, and the radial velocity is negative 16.8 kilometers per second. Mu Cephei is between 1272 and 5870 light years away. It's very hard to pinpoint the location of that star. The spectral type of that star is M2-LA. It is a red supergiant / hypergiant, and its radial velocity is plus 20.63 kilometers per second. Aldebaran, or A Cephei, is 49 light years away. The spectral type is A8VN, or A7IV-V. It is a white class A star moving from main sequence to subgiant, and the radial velocity is negative 10 kilometers per second. VV Cephei, or HD 208816, is about 5,000 light years away. Its spectral type is M2 Lab. It is a red supergiant, and the radial velocity is negative 13.56 kilometers per second. The deep space objects of Cepheus are the Wizard Nebula, which is one of the biggest ones in the entire galaxy, and then we also have the Fireworks Galaxy, and then NG67129, and then also the Iris Nebula. And so for Greek mythology, basically, so Cepheus is the husband of Cassiopeia and the father of Andromeda. And so Cassiopeia decided to say to the sea nymphs, or the Nereids, that she was more beautiful and better than them. And so the Nereids went to Poseidon, and Poseidon sent the Kraken, or an army, or the Kraken along with an army of many people. And so they wanted to fight Cassiopeia for saying that. Cepheus wanted to sacrifice his own daughter, Andromeda, but no one was happy about that. So Perseus, who is Poseidon's son, came in, saved the day for Andromeda, but Cepheus wouldn't allow them to marry because she was already promised to his brother, Phineus. And so Medusa turned Cepheus and Cassiopeia into stone, and so that way Perseus and Andromeda can get married. And then Zeus put both Cepheus and Cassiopeia into the sky as a way to honor them in the constellations. And then these are my sources.